Good morning, Anthony Love here from Paul Fraser Collectibles and Just Collecting. I'm joined with Amy this morning, and we've just had in, literally in the last half an hour, someone has dropped in some new autographs and memorabilia for us to put up for sale, and we thought you might want to have a look at what we've got before it goes live. So without further ado, let's open it up and see what we've got. Better be careful. Oh, okay. I'll show them this one first.
Okay.
Okay, so what have we got here? Okay, this one here is a program for a victory dinner held at the Murat Theatre in Indianapolis on October the 2nd, 1959, signed by John F. Kennedy with a few doodles and things on the background there. That looks quite interesting. I'm sure Paul will be pleased with that one. And there's a signed photo as well on the back.
So what else do we have? Oh. So here we have a handwritten signed letter from Princess Diana. It's quite an original one.
That's nice.
Even has the envelope that comes with it.
Princess Diana memorabilia is always quite popular.
Yeah.
That'll go quickly. I saw something just then when you were looking for that. My favourite. A signed photograph of Tiger Woods. Not much else to say about this really, but it's a great picture of one of my golfing heroes. That won't be around for long.
What else do we have? Oh. The screen just gone off.
Does that mean it stopped?
No. Here we have a signed picture of Frank Sinatra. He's obviously about to board a plane and he's waving. It says, "To Johnny."
The Fab Four. A full signed photograph of the Beatles from when they were, looks like when they were making the film Help in 1965 in the Bahamas. It's actually signed or addressed to nice, good, kind Sergeant. Brilliant picture. That's a lovely piece. That won't be around for long.
Oh. Here we have a drawing of Charlie Chaplin made by Charlie Chaplin. And on the back, we also have a signed picture of him and what seems to be a letter that comes with it that's obviously discussing something about Chaplin.
Great. What's this? I'll do this one. Another one of my favourite sports, Formula One. A signed photo of the late Ayrton Senna, looking quite young in this. So that was probably quite an early one. So that will go for a good price as well, and that won't be around for long. That's that. That's them. Yeah.
So here we have
Before your time.
Yeah. Here we have a picture of the Rolling Stones at the premiere of Let's Spend the Night Together, signed by all four of them, it looks like. This is a great one.
What's this? This looks like a signed, some sort of program. This is, here we are, here's the description. It's an illustrated souvenir program from another Beatles Christmas show from December 1964. and it ran till January 1965. Complete 20-page program. Features images by John Lennon, so that will be the image on the front here, drawn by John Lennon, and you might be able to see through the back there some other pictures, and it's signed by all 4 of them. There's George Harrison at the top there, Paul McCartney just on the head, Ringo Starr just here, and John Lennon just there. I think
that's
all
all of them.
That's some interesting pieces we've got there. That's all we've got for today on these. But if you want to find out more information on them or have any further images, then please email the address below at the bottom of this video. And thanks for watching.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.